Hey, Mikey, it's time to wake up. Come on, bud. It's been like 4.5 years. It's time to get up. Come on, let's go and hit the road. It's time to go. Hey, everybody. So if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know I do a bunch of stuff on these electric dirt bikes. So we've got two Razors here, Razor Pro Spec, the Mototech. We even have a Suron Light B we've been doing some stuff on. What you may not realize is that I also have this ultra rare Aprilia RS50. This thing is a 50cc street bike that does 70 miles an hour because it's got 6 gears. Well, I just got an email from the guys at Heomailto. They do ATV power sports batteries, and they said, hey, how come you haven't got that RS50 running? So I told them I actually need a battery. So they actually sent me a battery, and today we're going to test out that battery, install it, pop it in here, and see if we can get this thing going. Okay, I'm pretty sure I replaced the oil last time and then just never rode it. So one thing we got to do is pull this fairing and check and make sure it's topped off, because if not, we got to add oil, because I remember draining it. I just don't remember if I actually topped it off. I would not be surprised if I had not filled that. So let's go ahead and pull that fill plug and straighten the bike out so it's not leaning to one side, and see if any fluid comes out. Okay, that tells me that I did not fill it, so good thing we checked this. So we'll go ahead and get our fluid and start topping that off. Okay, we've got our fill plug removed. We've got the special wet clutch oil. Let that drip out for a second, and then I'll add some more just to make sure we didn't hit a bubble or something. So we'll gotta make sure the bike's straight up and down. Pop the fill plug back in. Stick that in there to drip for a minute. And then we can put our fill plug back in and go ahead and put this fairing back on. There, so this street bike takes a YTX4L, which isn't a super expensive battery, but I looked around and this Heomaito is actually one of the most affordable brands. And not only that, this battery is about 20 bucks, but if you use my coupon code ECOFAGE10 at the bottom of your screen, ECOFAGE10, you'll actually get 10% off of these already ultra cheap batteries. And the best part is, if you've ever done one of these little power sport batteries before, sometimes they come with a fluid in a separate container and you have to flip it over and drain it into here, and it's super annoying. And I've ruined knives and pants before getting that battery acid on them. But this is pre-filled and sealed, so you don't have to mess with any of that. So this is a really good deal. Obviously the price is great, and it's a better quality battery than some of those cheap batteries that you have to fill yourself with that acid, and then you always have a little bit extra acid kicking around that isn't safe. And obviously it comes with your hardware. So if you haven't seen one of these before, you got to pop these little doodads in here and screw them down in, and it tightens the wires in. So let's go ahead and get this battery installed. So it goes this way. There we go. We got our battery installed, hooked up. So it's getting late at night, but first thing in the morning, we are going to lock our seat down, obviously. And then fire this baby up and take it for a ride. Yes, I'm running True Fuel through it.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Take it out for a spin. All right, well, obviously that battery worked great. If you guys are looking for a power sports battery, make sure to head on over to Heomailto. You notice this is a real small battery and it had plenty of power. So I definitely recommend these. They're super affordable, use the link below, and also make sure to use our coupon code ECOFAGE10 to get yourself 10% off your order, to let them know that we sent you. If you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already. Check out some of my other videos on this bike and some other cool projects. Let me know what you thought in the comments below, and I'll catch you guys next time.